Morning light, a brand new day. Let's see where life will lead the way. Coffee brewing, sky so blue.
So I'm on a solo vacation. I tried to get a travel partner, but it didn't work. So I said, okay, I have this travel has to happen. And by the way, I carry my environment around everywhere I go. So I'm someone that knows how to create fun for myself, create activities for myself. So I said, on this very vacation, it has to happen. So that is why you're gonna vacate along with me. You're gonna travel along with me and experience my solo vacation with me. So at the end of the day, it might not really be solo after all, because you're coming with me.
Life is better when it's shared. Come spend the day with me. Let's enjoy the journey.
And while on board the aircraft, they made an announcement that we should cover our nose, that they want to spray something inside the aircraft. That while we were landing, getting close to our destination, when we arrived in the country, so they asked us to cover our nose, and we did that. I don't even know why they're spraying that stuff. If they're trying to disinfect something, I just pray and hope that that is very healthy, because even with covering your nose, to what extent can you be careful? I just hope that it's not harmful to human health.
That lasts forever. Come spend the day with me. Come spend the day with me. On Consygal TV, every moment's meant to be. We'll explore both near and far. Just be exactly who you are. Come spend the day with me. Let's make beautiful memories.
And we are here at arrival, so let's wait and pick up our luggages.
Another sunset, another smile. Thanks for staying for a while. Until next time, come what may, we'll share another beautiful day.
Habibi, welcome to Accra! Yay! I'm driving straight to 4 Point by Sheraton Hotel, Accra. Then the first point of call, of course, was supposed to be food. But I wasn't gonna lodge here. I have a friend that's lodging here, so I took the liberty to enjoy buffet with my friend. I'm not lodging here. After this meal, then I'll drive straight to my own hotel. So I thought it twice to first detox. Yes, this is a detox water, so that my belly will be very empty to launch on the meal. So the meal happens to be a buffet, and I did justice. To the meal. So these are the different meal dishes that they have. And they had a lot of locals as well, local dishes, but I was so hungry to go around and film every of the local delicacies, but I tried to be very safe to eat the one that I'm used to. So I went straight to white rice, and then you have different sauces that you can use. You have your tomato stew, you have different, all of this is they're all what you can use to eat, either the rice or the potatoes and all that. So I said, let me not go and try out a new dish that I will not be comfortable with. Now, respect to Ghanaian food, I'm saying that when you're very, very hungry, it's always advisable to eat what you're used to, so that you already understand the taste, how it's going to taste, right? Rather than trying something new and your system may not tolerate it. Yeah, so I said, okay, let me be very safe to try out rice and stew. And then also I had hot dogs, these sausages, I looked for chicken, fried chicken or turkey, but I think I came late. I think that was, I didn't see it, displayed. I think that either that had finished or they didn't serve it in the menu for this very buffet at this time.
Until next time, come what may, we'll share another beautiful day. Morning light, a brand new day. Let's see where life will lead the way. Coffee brewing, sky so blue. Every sunrise feels brand new. Simple moments, memories too. And every day brings something new. Pack my bag, let's hit the road. Ready for the stories to unfold. Little laughs and little wins. Every journey now begins. Come along, don't miss a thing. Life is joy that every day can bring. Come spend the day with me. Come spend the day with me. We'll laugh, we'll learn, we'll make memories. On Consygal TV, life is better when it's shared. Come.
And after the meal, it was onward to my own hotel, that's Embassy Gardens in Cantonment. But I caught something on camera. Look at what this guy is driving. Look at this driver. See the way he doesn't want to get to the roundabout. See the way he climbed the pavement to turn. I said, come, am I still in Nigeria? I thought I'm in Ghana. Why are they behaving? Africa, my Africa. Oh, that's by the way. So yeah, I'm heading to my hotel.
Corner has a story. Every moment shines with glory. Step by step we'll laugh together, making memories that last forever. Come spend the day.
And yes, this is the hotel where I will be staying. It's called Embassy Gardens Apartments, hotels and apartment. And this is located at Cantonment, Accra, Ghana.
Memories.
And the apartment is truly beautiful. As the name is, Embassy Gardens, the garden is lovely. Lovely. Everything about this apartment is beautiful. But we're going to my room. Let's go to the room. I'm going to give you a room tour as well. Haha.
Morning light, a brand new day. Let's see where life will lead the way. Coffee brewing, sky so blue. Every sunrise feels brand new. Simple moments, memories too.
So let me give you guys a room tour of my apartment. Let me give you a room tour of my apartment. So this is of course the complimentary. You have beverages, Milo, whatever, coffee, milk, sugar. You've got your kettle to heat the water. You've got your gas. If I was going to be cooking, because of this, I'm going to look for a market where I'll buy something so I can cook. This is the cooker. And this is the washing machine. So I wore cream today from the airport. I was like, oh my god, this needs not get dirty. Otherwise I would have to pay a dry cleaner to dry clean the dress, the top and everything, not knowing that there is actually a washing machine waiting for me. And of course there's a place to wash. That's the thing. This is an apartment. And there's the toilet. So that's the toilet. So that's the bathroom. There's a toilet. Yes. And on top here, I have the microwave. I am so excited. You have your pot for cooking if you want to quickly fry egg or fry plantain, anything you want to cook and fry. Oh dear. Can you see that? You have your plate, you have your cups. Oh dear, oh dear. Everything, you have your soap. And what do you have here? Okay, there's a fire extinguisher there. Okay, in case someone is cooking and decide to burn the house, God forbid. Yeah, so this is the room. Did you see that? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. That's the wardrobe. Yes, that's my bedside reading light, reading lamp. Yes, there's another one over there. Yep. And this is, well, this could be multi-purpose. Either you want to work, you can keep your laptop here, or you want to eat, you can use it for dining. And this is the TV. It's a lovely setting. It's a lovely setting. Like, I'm thinking of what to go and buy now and start cooking. Because when I was coming, I just said I'll be buying food, not knowing that this is the setting that I was going to make. I was thinking, how will I be buying food, to eat and everything, not knowing that this is the setting I was going to meet here. Like, I love it. And what's so interesting, you have an iron, you have a table to iron your clothes. So I like everything you need in the house is here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, so this is a veranda. I've got my own veranda. Can use this as a sit out. Got my own veranda. Okay, so what they gave us in flight, I couldn't eat it. I just go back. Now that I'm settled in, I want to eat it. But this way, is this on international flight? I was expecting to see rice and stew. There's meat pie. There's a cupcake. There's this cheese exotic. Okay, so I'm doing unboxing of what they gave us in. So that's all. So I'm going to have some snacks now. So I just had my shower. So it's time for my skincare. This skincare, face care now, because it's not complete skincare, right? So I have this. I've already done unboxing for this. I've already done the unboxing. Life is joy that every day can bring. Come spend the day with me. Come spend the day with me. We'll laugh. This is snail things. On Consygal TV. Life is better. The name is Snail or Snail 96 something. It actually was like a snail. So that day that I remember that day that I went to buy the products. These products at the shop. Remember the guy did mention that I needed something to clear these dark circles in my eye. It was caused by medicated glasses. These dark circles was caused by medicated glasses. That's what cost it. So he told me to buy something for the under eye, black under eye. I have to even start with it before I start the proper face care thingy. So I was like, no, I didn't plan for it. What that is hearing about that particular product for the first time too as well. But I said no. So next we're going in with this. This is the same product with this. It's also snail, whatever. This is a moisturizer. And a very big thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming to watch our vlog. If you have watched up to this time, please like the video and subscribe if you have not subscribed. If this is the first time you're seeing my face, you're welcome to Consygal TV, where we entertain you, educate you, and we inform you. So please stay glued to this channel. This is just part 1 of my solo vacation to Ghana. Please lock that dial for a 2.
Another beautiful